Enrique Hill, one-on-one inilabas na sa ABS-CBN Entertainment. Sobrang nakaka-amaze at nakakabilib ang kanilang kwentuhan ni Melay. Madami tayong mapapatunayan sa interview na iyon. Talagang heart-to-heart yung usapan nila ni Melay, about sa family, friends at saka sa career niya noon at ngayon at kung paano siya nag-start, bilang naging artista. Sobrang humble talaga si Enrique Hill, napaka-family oriented. Enrique Hill looks like, he's being raised well, see it by his parents, he can see it by the way he talks, and knowing Jesus by his side. Not a lot of people know this, pero Enrique Hill has one of the biggest heart in showbiz. At kahit pa si Melay, ito ang nakikita niya kay Enrique. Sabi nito talagang walang bad side si Enrique Hill ever since nag-start siya at nakilala ni Melay. Enrique Hill has this much humility. The way siya mag-approach sa mga taong makakasalamuhan niya is from the heart talaga. Mga fans na Bisaya ito ang nasasabi nila. Beautiful face, then authentic pa, makig-eye-to-eye contact. Makikita sa mata na genuine talaga yung shin-share niya, about sa life niya, articulate at super fun ako, I stand Enrique Hill. Tingin naman ng iba, ang humor ni Enrique Hill is very bizdak, which is sobrang proud siya dito. Ang dami talagang fans ang nagkakagusto sa episode na ito. This interview is pretty much revealing Keen through person. Magaling at values family and God above all. He is very down-to-earth, humble person. Kaya naman he deserves so much love and happiness. The mindset of Enrique Hill is very appreciated, talagang family first talaga siya at saka lagi talaga niyang pipiliin una yung pamilya niya which is tama naman. At isa pa dito ang pinabulaanan ni Melay kay Enrique is, napaka-sincere niya makipaghalubilo sa kanyang mga fans, walang halong kaplastikan talaga. Enjoy so much ang mga nakakita sa episode na ito. Listening Enrique and Melay is alegre kaayo ang episode. Everybody loves Enrique at bilib na bilib din ang mga tao kung paano mag-interview si Melay sa kanya. At sa mga may gustong makakita sa episode na ito, ilalagay ko yung link sa baba ng comment section. Thank you and God bless.
Thank you for watching.